Good morning, futures traders. Today is Friday, August 22nd, the time 9:39. Sorry, I'm a little late today. We're trading the NASDAQ open. We just had a quick in and out on the manual side, so probably not going to do anything today, especially since we're going to have some news at 10 and we have Powell speaking. So it's one of those days where we'll just do some eval trading here.
Order submitted.
So you can see we are looking for a breakout of the current high. This is the London high right here. We kind of pierced it a little bit, but then we're bouncing right off of it now as resistance. So I don't think we'll be getting to any breakout trades here.
Order filled.
Okay, so we are in the trade here on Praedox.
Order canceled.
And we are in our ATM right now. All right, there we go. Let's let the ATM manage it.
Order canceled.
All right, we hit our target. So we are done for the day. No need to trade either the manual or the bot anymore. You can see we did quite well on that trade. So we're done. So let me share with you some features we're adding. We'll make this a little bigger here so we can see. Okay, so if you didn't watch the recap video from last night, we added quite a few things to the Trader's Assistant. So one of the things we did, and we're testing that today, is we added the London high and low. So you can see this goldish color, that's the London high. And this bluish color, light bluish color, that's the London low. So we're now using that to check for our support and resistance so we don't buy into resistance and sell into support on these orders. So that's just another edit we added. We added these buttons here so that you can turn the different trades on and off based on the price action you're seeing. So if you don't want to do an aggressive volume or an EMA breakout, you could turn those off while you're watching the price action. No need to. You have the move to break even as we always had that. We also added some ATR target features as well. So if you want to change your first target to the ATR or using the multiplier of the ATR, you can now do that. So if your ATM, say, is 40 ticks and you decide that you want your first target to be the ATR or 1 times the ATR, and let's say the 1 time ATR is 35 ticks, it will adjust your first target to 35 ticks. We've also added some trailing features where you can't really have the trailing strategy in your ATM if you're going to use this option, but you can now use some indicators to trail. So parabolic SAR, you can choose from an EMA that you select. You can also use the previous bars low or the previous bars high, depending on which direction you're in. So yeah, so things to help the trader make decisions and manage their trades. So anyway, we'll call it a day. Have a great weekend. I'm not going to I'll update the trade journal with the small profit here. I'm not going to bother touching it, trading anymore on that. Like I said, we have Powell speaking today, so it's probably not a good day to trade, but I wanted to see how the bot performed. So as you can see, it did quite well. So with that said, join our Discord. We do have we have a lot of interaction there. Great group of traders. Learning a lot from even traders that have been in our beta test. Beta test is going quite well. We'll probably look to roll this out sometime in mid-September once we have a successful beta test. I have to say, I'd love to share some of the profits that we're seeing here. We do post our profits and losses. Again, you can see here, we have some traders already posting their wins for today. This was from yesterday. See here, we have our traders in our beta group sharing their trade setups that they're doing using Praedox in the beta testing. So yeah, a lot of interaction and sharing of the ideas and the settings for the new Praedox
Order
Traders
submitted.
Assistant. So if you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe. Have a great weekend. We'll be back at it on Monday.